Yes, my people, welcome back to DMAC 4K World Tour. Yes, coming to you from Montego Bay, giving you a city tour again. Yes, and we're starting this one in Dome Street. Yes, so we're going on to Mount Salem. Yes, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour. Yes, from Jamaica. So basically this road is a one-way road, as you know, my people. Yeah. Okay guys, so coming up on your right over there, Jarrett Park. Yes. So this is Jarrett Park over on your right, guys. Okay, so we're gonna make a left here and go up Mount Salem. All right. It sounds so nice also up here. Oh, the place looking nice. Okay guys, so alright, so we are actually in Mount Salem now, so we're gonna take a left turn here and go around this road here. Yes. So this is the Cornell Regional Hospital over there, guys. It's on the right there. Okay. Look at they paint up the hospital recently. Look nice. Wow. Okay guys, so we currently in Salem at this moment, and this is a hospital over there, guys. They're still under construction, looking good so far. Yeah, so this is the current situation right now in Salem at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. All right. Yes, guys, so we continue our tour. Okay, so we're gonna take a right turn here. So the okay. So this is the Mount Salem police station on your left, guys. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take a left turn here and go back on the main street of Salem. Yeah. Nice plaza over there, guys, at Salem. Yeah. So we continue our tour on Salem Road here. Okay. So we have some nice house around here, guys. Yeah. guys, we are in Rosemount. Yeah. Wow. So this is a housing scheme here. No. The only problem though, everywhere you go in Jamaica, you have just bad roads all the way. Wow, some nice houses around here, but the roads are very bad. Look at that, guys. So guys, we are in Rosemount. So nice also up on the hills here. Look at that. Wow. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn back right here. So we're back at the roundabout, guys. So we're gonna go around the roundabout and go straight. Yeah. Okay, so okay guys, so we gonna turn here and we're gonna go straight to Westgate. All right, yeah. Okay. one turning to Westgate. Wow. Okay, son. Uh-huh.
Your turn, sir.
Uh-huh.
Go down, sir, so your turn.
Turn right.
Yeah, turn that way and go straight down to the last end. You see the sign mark Westgate.
All right.
Right.
And take a right.
Yeah.
All right, my brother. Build us up. Uh-huh. All right, guys. So we continue our journey. So you have to make sure you know all of these little turn off, else you get lost. Okay, so we're back on the main now, guys. Yeah. Wow, look at that view over there. Oh, nice. Look over there, guys. We have some nice houses around here. Okay. Oh, we take a right here, guys. And stop. All right, Papa. Okay. Yeah. Some nice house around here, guys. Look at that one there. So this is Westgate Hills, my people. Yeah. It's a nice view from up here. One thing even though the road need to fix, man. Look at the road, guys. Oh gosh, so it's horrible. And a lot of a house up here got damaged by Hurricane Melissa. Look at that, guys. So everybody's still in repair mode. 3.5 months now since Melissa hit Jamaica, and a lot of people still do not recover right at this moment yet. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so we are back on the main, so we continue straight into Westgate. Wow. Okay. Okay guys, so guys, most of you are supposed to remember this plaza. Back in the day, this plaza was booming. Wow. And look at it now, guys. Oh. Look at it now. Wow, it's a shambles. Oh. This plaza was so nice. Well, the storm come and help damage it more, so it's just Burger King over here. Yeah, it's just Burger King over here, and right here there's a little business right here on the front here. Okay, so that's about it for Westgate Plaza. Look at it, guys. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're at the stoplight now. So this road just take you back into the town of Montego Bay. Yeah. Okay, so we're going back into the town now. Guys, look at the road out here. The road is horrible for a city like this, Montego Bay City. Okay, I'm gonna take a right turn here and go up this lane here. But you have a lot of we're coming to midday afternoon now, so that's why you find the traffic is building up right now. So we're going straight back up onto Mount Salem Road, yes, and come around again. Okay, so we're gonna take a left turn right here now, and alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.